Amaka and Tolu had been married for just 4 months. The wedding was magical, the honeymoon breathtaking, and their Instagram feed perfect. At least, that's what everyone thought, but real life had moved in faster than they expected. One evening, Amaka came home from work exhausted, carrying a bag of groceries. She expected Tolu to notice, maybe offer to help. Instead, he sat glued to his phone, laughing at football memes. "Babe, can you help me with these?" She asked softly. "Just a sec," he replied without looking up. That sec turned into 10 minutes. By the time he came into the kitchen, Amaka's silence had become a storm. "You never notice how hard I work," she burst out, "and you never see how stressed I am." He shot back. For the first time, their perfect bubble cracked. That night, they lay back to back in bed, neither willing to speak. The quiet was louder than any argument, but just before sleep, Amaka whispered, "I don't want us to be like this." Tolu turned slowly, reaching for her hand. "Me neither," he said, his voice low. "I'm sorry." They talked until 2 a.m., really listening this time. They agreed to start leaving little notes of appreciation for each other, no matter how small. By the weekend, Amaka found a sticky note on her coffee mug. "Thanks for always caring for us." "I see you," she smiled. It wasn't perfect, but it was love, the real kind, the choosing each other everyday kind.